Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to develop your own AI chatbot using Python FastAPI and Ollama server. This time I'm going to use DeepSeek R1 models. Let's dive in. Our goals: start our Ollama server with DeepSeek R1 models and integrate it with Python and FastAPI. Part 1. uh, Part 2, we're going to create modern chatbot UI with React, and part 3, we're gonna create custom RAG using LangChain and integrate it with REST API. Let's get it started. Before getting started, let's follow the notes which I already written on my GitHub repository. So first of all, we need to go to the ollama.com and download it for your OS, install it on your system, and start the Ollama server to serve DeepSeek R1 model or Llama 3 model or anything. So go to terminal, just write down the command Ollama serve, and it will start on 11434. Now we're going to create a virtual environment for Python. So write the following command: Python 3 -n dot n. Virtual environment created. Source. Now sourcing the new virtual environment, activate it. Now upgrade pip install pip. It's optional, but I'm gonna show you because it's recommended to upgrade pip. Now install it's another useful package. Now install FastAPI. Then install Pydantic, which will be used to create models for REST API. Now install ubicon at AGI server tool. Basic packages are now installed, and now it's time to write our code. So I used my own ID as Python, and you can use your own choiceable ID, but I used Python. So open the project. I already created it, so open. Now I'm gonna create the server. Okay, So first we'll create FastAPI set version string. So P1 and setting the title as REST API Ollama check. That's it. Next step, we're going to create a post request to serve our Ollama services. So let's dive in. Async chat stream, and it will be a request. I did nothing for now. Let's start it. Dot post and chat slash stream. I named it because we're gonna stream our chat messages instead of returning whole responses. So we are passing our own custom model for chat request. In that case, chat request base model. It's a Pydantic model. Query string parameter. Now here are the tricky parts, which is streaming response. Excuse me. Chat request will be streaming response. So we are gonna integrate with Ollama now. So we're going to install the package of Ollama. For official documentation, go to Ollama, then GitHub, and you can find out Ollama Python. Then you can check how to use the Ollama chat client. That's it. I'm gonna show you how to integrate it in our way. Setting our Ollama service with Ollama host name. So here for localhost, port 11434, and we need to set our custom model as DeepSeek R1, 1.5 billion. That's it. Now it's time to stream or chat messages from Ollama to REST API response. Let's do this. Query as string. Let's create client. Host will be self.address. So you could see that I'm writing it, but I'm writing it based on this documentation. Look, chat model is Llama 3.2 and messages are like this. So role and content, we need to pass this message to Ollama service. So role user and content are. So let's write this message to it. Sky blue. Now client.get and oh, by mistake, it will be, hold on, so that's it. We are almost end of our basic implementation. Now we are going to stream the messages through this service. So chunk stream here chunk of message and content. So that's it. It's time to integrate with our fast API. So Ollama service, we are not passing anything right now because already we set our address, default address as localhost and DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion. For any different case, we can pass our parameters. Okay, so now we will stream it with AI service dot get chat stream with request dot query and set our media type text for event stream. That's it. Our API is now ready. Okay, so I can run it here or open another terminal. For now, I'm opening a terminal here, closing everything. Okay, so you run this command. Yes, our server is running and we can check it. Because we didn't set any path, but we set our docs and our Swagger UI is appearing here. To set our message. Look, we requested with the query why the sky is blue. Sorry, my mistake. But one thing, the responses are sending, we're getting the responses very slowly, and that's why you can understand if it's streaming or not. To check this, we're going to create simple Python based REST API, REST client, so you can understand if the streaming is working or not. So create another API. So URL is here, http localhost chat stream and queries and we need to install request. I use request, but you could use as your own. Request dot post because it's a post request. URL data is JSON dot terms payload. Okay, and we need to set the parameter stream is true. Now iter content maximum 265 bytes. Chunk size print decode the bytes to UTF-8 and to facilitate the print response, set the end character with empty. Let's run it. Yes, cool. Streaming is working, and we can get the responses from Ollama. That's it. Thanks everyone. On my next video, I'll show you how to create modern chatbot UI with the React. Stay tuned.